I was recently on the Maybird podcast and they asked a super great question about how do you know if someone's legit online or not? And can you listen to them or are they going to give dangerous advice to you? And how do you know the difference between someone who's giving good advice and not good rehab advice? And I answered the question with if they have credentials backing their name, such as physical therapy, occupational therapy, sports med credentialing, that would be a good place to start. If they do have that credentialing, you're also going to want to make sure that they're presenting more of a research-based approach to that. So if they're quoting articles such as this type of stretch or exercise was researched in this paper for this condition and yielded good results for that condition. That's a great starting point. If they're just saying, this is my personal opinion, what works really well, they have no credentialing behind their name or anything like that when it comes to rehab and sports medicine, you might want to think once or twice about what they have to say or really look into who's following them, how many followers they have, what their credibility is really in the field. Some great resources out there that are very credible, that have great information that I look up when I am looking for some exercise ideas or for certain conditions would be Prehab, the Prehab guys. They're on YouTube. The important thing is you kind of need to know what you're dealing with. So they're very precise and they're list out specific exercises that are really high quality for lateral tendonitis or any condition, low back pain, plantar fasciitis. They have great videos on. Are really great exercises. They walk you through like the basics of the exercises when you're first starting, and then they also walk you through kind of the advanced stages of the exercises once you start feeling better and really want to kind of progress to that point where those symptoms never come back. Another great resource would be Physiotutors. They're a little bit more educational towards other physical therapists, but they still have great content out there if you're looking for some more information. Thanks.